Now, it is time to get into the details. I have been talking about HTML. What is HTML? Now, the full meaning is Hypertext Markup Language. To your surprise, it is actually not a programming language. It is a markup language. What it does is that it tells the web browser how to structure the web page. So basically, it tells the web browser, this is how you display this information. One important factor of HTML are tags, and we have opening and closing tag. Now, within the tag, we have the content, and the tag will determine what operation or what effect is applied to the content. So let me give you an example. Let's say we have a tag called American. Okay, this is just a made-up tag. I just made it up in my head. Now we have opening tag and closing tag. And within the tag, I put in a text called John. So what this means is John is American. So whatever is within this tag, the tag will have an effect on it. In HTML, a lot of the tags might just be single letters, but with time, you will know what they represent. So we have the opening tag, closing tag, the content, and the whole element. Now, the whole element comprises of the tags and the content. In this, our code, let us just focus on these two. Now, we have for the first element, opening and closing tag, and we use P. In HTML, P is for paragraph. So that is one paragraph. And we wrote, learn how to use a system first. You can see the opening tag P and the closing tag. Notice that in the closing tag, you have a slash before the tag name. That is to signify the closing tag. For the second element, we also have opening and closing, and the element inside is I really like Java. But notice that inside this element, we have another tag. The tag strong is meant to make the text bold. So in the text, I really like Java, I actually wanted really like to be bold. So I surrounded it around the strong tag. Now notice that I have to end or put the closing tag of strong before putting the closing tag of paragraph. So it's like a first in, last out. Now we're going to open the web page so that we see the effect of these two tags. Let's go to Google Chrome. You can ignore the picture for now. We would talk about that later. But look at the first text. The first paragraph. Learn how to use a system first. Then the second paragraph. I really like Java. But look at the really like. The effect on the really like was bold. And that is because of the strong tag that we used in HTML. It's actually very straightforward. There isn't any rocket science here. You enclose it within a tag. That tag will determine what effect is applied to that content. In this case, we have paragraphs, and in the second paragraph, I wanted an effect within the paragraph. So I had an opening and closing tag of strong, which in HTML means boldness. Later, we will talk about this picture tag, the img for image.